My dear students, I hope you all have understood the concept of function as discussed in the part 1 of lecture 1 on function. In part 2 on lecture on function, I would like to discuss how to identify that a given graph or curve is a function or not. To identify that a given curve or graph is a function or not, what we have to do, let us consider two graphs of the two different curves. This is curve like this and another curve like this. So we have to find at least one vertical line which cuts the graph at more than one point. Like this, we can find more vertical lines of this kind for this graph. Therefore, this graph is not a function, because for this x equal to x naught, let us take x naught, we find more than one image. That means this is y1, let us take, this is y2 and this is y3, like this. And therefore this curve is not a function. But in this curve, any vertical line cannot be drawn which cuts this graph at more than one point. Therefore, this graph is a function. In the previous discussion, we denoted a function f from a to b such that y is equal to fx for every x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Y is unique for any x belongs to set A. So in this discussion, this set A is domain. Set A is domain of f. F means function f. Set B is codomain of function f, and range of f, it is set of all the elements of set B which are images of elements of set A. Set of all the elements of set B which are images of elements of set A. In this, from the graph, the portion of the x-axis under the curve is called domain of a relation or function, and portion of the curve on portion of y-axis